I am Alia Mahmood and going to explain you Science Class 4. This is the lecture number 2 of Unit 1, The Human Body, Class 4. In lecture 2, we will be discussing cells, tissue, organ system. Cells. The human body is made up of cells. Cells are the smallest building units of living things. We have bone cells, muscle cells, heart cells, and so on. In the diagram, we can see nerve cells which are present in our brain and carries messages from brain to the body and from the body back to the brain. Red blood cells, these are present in blood, and epithelial cells which are present on our skin. Tissues. Cell group together to form tissues. A tissue is a special group of cells which perform a similar job. Tissues can be muscular, connective, nervous, or epithelial. In diagram we can see 4 types of tissues: nervous tissue, epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, connective tissue. Nervous tissue are present in brain and carries messages from brain to the body and from body to the brain. Epithelial tissue present in outermost layer of skin, lining of digestive tract organs. Muscle tissues are present in cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, smooth muscle. Connective tissue are present in fats and other soft padding tissue, bone, tendons. Organ. Group of tissue that work together are called organs. The body function are performed by organs. For example, the heart is an organ made up of tissues that contract to pump blood to all parts of the body. It is very powerful organ and works constantly. Some organs of the body. The human body consists of many organs: brain, lungs, kidney, heart, stomach. And students, do you remember that we have 5 senses? We have 5 sense organs, and those are eyes, nose, tongue, ear, and skin. And students, do you know that there are many bones in human body? An adult body has 206 bones, while a baby has 300 bones. Why is it so? It is because as we grow older, some of our bones fuse together to make bigger and stronger bones. Organ system. Organ system is a group of organs which work together to do a special job. In the diagram we can see that cells join together to form tissues and tissues join together to form an organ. Stomach is also an organ. And then again further, stomach, large intestine and small intestine, which are again different organs. They join together to form the digestive system. Although each organ has a special function, it also works as a part of a group of other organs called an organ system. Now, my dear students, for the exercise, you take pencil, book and notebook. Draw diagram on slide number 14 and read page number 3.